The Vivo V27 5G is now available in South Africa, and we got our hands on one to see the excellent suite of flagship level features that this device has to offer. So, cue the unboxing music and let's see what's inside. So, when you open the box, you are greeted by the Vivo V27 5G in all its beauty. Now, our Vivo came in magic blue, but it also comes in black. The design of the Vivo V27 is very impressive, and one of the key highlights has to be the 6.78-inch AMOLED 2400 by 1080 panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. This AMOLED display offers excellent color quality as well as very sharp images, and with the 120Hz refresh rate, it will ensure that your user experience is smooth. You will notice this refresh rate the most when you are navigating through your apps and menus, as the experience will be much more fluid. As you can see, the display is housed in a narrow frame that is only 2.3mm thick and only weighs 190 grams. This does not compromise durability, as the V27 5G has undergone extensive testing, including 42,000 drop tests, 10,000 plugging and unpluggings, and 1,000 press tests. Let's see what else is inside the box. The Vivo V27 also comes with a protective cover. The box also contains a USB power adapter, a Type-C to USB cable, and a SIM ejection tool. The Vivo V27 5G boasts an impressive roster of technical features that are powered by a potent 4nm octo-core MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor. This chip performs substantially better than its predecessors, and it is complemented by 8GB of extended RAM. The combination of a potent processor as well as lots of RAM ensures excellent performance every time, even when you're using the most intensive apps or multitasking. In fact, the V27 5G can run up to 36 active apps in the background without lagging, and it can do this for longer thanks to its 4600 mAh long life battery. And when your Vivo V27 5G does need to be recharged, Vivo's innovative 66-watt flash charge technology offers incredible speeds, including charging your smartphone from 1% to 50% in less than 20 minutes. All of this power will keep you taking gorgeous photos with the V27 5G's camera for hours. The rear camera system comprises of 3 sensors, a 50MP primary sensor, an 8MP wide-angle sensor, and a 2MP macro sensor. The primary 50MP sensor is a Sony IMX766V, which offers superior OIS technology for better stability. This results in sharper photos and brighter and purer night shots. These low light shots are also optimized by the Vivo V27 5G's Aura light technology, which automatically detects low ambient light and adds brightness to ensure all subjects have radiant, delicate complexions. The 50MP selfie camera is the ultimate tool to capture the best selfies. Along with autofocus, it will ensure that you have no blurry pics. This impressive photo capabilities also extend to the video capabilities. The Vivo V27 5G is capable of capturing video in a crisp 4K with 60 frames per second. Along with the hybrid stabilization functionality, it will ensure that all your video footage goes without being shaky. Then lastly, with the 256GB worth of storage on the phone, you will ensure that all your videos and photos are stored safely. Needless to say, we are very impressed by the Vivo V27 5G's flagship features, all the way from the AMOLED screen to the triple camera system. If you're on the market for a phone that is stylish, form-fitting, as well as functional, and at an affordable price, look no further than the Vivo V27 5G.